Hello, my name is Gabriel. I'm the founder and creator of Kablan's magnetic flooring. Today we're here to show you an installation using our magnetic porcelain tiling system. Before we start our installation, we want to make sure that the subfloor is level and clean. It should be leveled to within 1/8 of an inch for every 10 feet. The first step is to install the rubberized steel membrane. To do that, remove the liner and roll it out smoothly onto the subfloor. The second step is to apply pressure onto the rubberized steel membrane to ensure a strong bond with the subfloor. That can be done with a heavy steel roller, similar to the ones that are used when installing vinyl flooring. Before installing the tile, make sure that the underlay is clean and dry. If necessary, use a damp cloth to remove any dust and dirt. To install the tiles, simply lay them down and they will lock down magnetically. Ensure the tiles are set tightly together, and if necessary, reposition with a section cutter. Our tiles cut just like any other tile. You can use a wet saw or the score and snap method. If you ever need to remove a tile, whether to change your design or replace a damaged piece, you can do so easily with a suction cup. In the rare case of a severely damaged tile, the suction cup may not work. In cases like this, first remove the tile next to it, and then the damaged tile can be removed by hand from the short edge.